Are you wondering what is this hissing sound coming from your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4? For example, if you take them out and insert in your ears, for example, if there isn't any music playing, you might hear like a shh sound, something like that, like a hissing or like shh, something like that. So it sometimes maybe is even a bit louder, sometimes maybe not as loud. So what this sound is, it's active noise cancellation on these earphones, and that is completely normal. There's nothing wrong with your earphones. And are you wondering also how to maybe like get rid of it if you actually do not like it and if you do not care about the noise cancellation? Yep, so we can do that. If you go in your settings, so if you have a Samsung phone, you go directly here in the settings and you see you can actually like configure them. If you do not have a Samsung phone, you need to download the application called Galaxy Wearable. So again, if you have non-Samsung Android phone, maybe like Pixel, Motorola, Xiaomi or whatever, so you simply download this and you'll be able to also like change these settings here. Also, you have to actually first place them in your ears, because otherwise these features actually won't be active. So once you have them in your ear, I see if you have the active noise cancellation, so we want to switch it simply off here. And then again, the hissing sound should completely stop. So if you still hear this hissing sound, maybe there's actually something wrong with your earphones then. So if you actually disable it, also again, so this both the ambient sound plus the active noise cancellation, if you have it on the off, if it's still like hissing, then there's maybe some kind of hardware defect on them. But again, so that's very rare. So most likely what you are hearing again is the active noise cancellation. So again, that is completely normal and that's how it even should sound. Okay, good luck.